Hey guys, let's install Node.js to our computer. So we have to open up any browser we like. I am going to open up Google Chrome. So you can see that and type here Node.js and go over the website and download the current version. So you can see that it's downloading. Okay, double click over that and run it. And we have to click over next and I accept and next and next and next and install. So you can see Node.js has been successfully installed. Click over finish and type here cmd. Open up your command prompt and check up node. Okay, you can see the console is showing and we can run our program here. So that's it guys. This is how you have to install Node.js to your computer. So bye bye, I will see you in the next video.